Unit 1. Welcome back. Exercise 4. Listen and sing. Hello, hello. How old are you? I'm 7, and you? I'm 7, me and you. Me and you. Grade 2. Pupils Book. Unit 1. Welcome back. Exercise 1. Listen and read. Hello, I'm Alex. Hi, I'm Max. My name is Emma. I'm Julia. How old are you? I'm 7. Where do you live? I live in London. We like our new school. Unit 1. Welcome back. Exercise 5. Listen, match and say. Ant. Mat. Car. Unit 2. Our new classroom. Exercise 1. Listen and read. I like my new classroom. It's beautiful. Look, there are posters. What are these? These are notebooks. They're in my bag. Where are the rulers? They're under the pencil case. The books and the cards are on the table. Unit 2. Our new classroom. Exercise 2. Listen, repeat and number. Number 1. These are pencil cases. Number 2. These are notebooks. Number 3. These are posters. Number 4. These are rulers. Unit 2. Our new classroom. Exercise 3. Listen and repeat. Sarah is between Sam and Adam. The cat is behind the tree. The teacher is next to the desk. Unit 2. Our new classroom. Exercise 6. Listen, match and say. Butterfly. Bird. Rubber.